Today we have an easy day. We have a private class today, and we have a special guest at private class. So what we're making today? So I'm making the noodle soup with beef. Yeah. So let's see the ingredient in the tray. So we have on ginger, galanga, star anise, cinnamon, coriander root, black pepper, coriander seed inside. Yeah. All different spices here for the soup, right? What I'm gonna do, I have a broth. So that I'm boiling here is the bone, the pork spine. You can add, pork spine or chicken bone in it for a good taste for the broth, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to add this one that I prepared in there, but I have to tie them first because I don't want it to float everywhere in the soup. It makes it more complicated when you want to separate the beef from this. So we drop this one in, then we drop another one in, and I'm going to wrap this one and put it in too, but it's the same thing with what I have first, right? And then what we have here, we got this sugar, stone sugar. We'll put it in. Black soy sauce or sweet dark soy sauce. Right. Soya sauce. This is give salty taste. And another sweet soy sauce. And then we're going to let it boil for another 2-3 hours until lunchtime. Yeah. And this beef, this meat, I'm going to add them later. I have to wait for another 15-20 minutes when it's more boiling, so I'm going to add the beef in. So we have different parts of the beef here. We have inside, we have intestine, we have a liver, we have a heart and tenderloin, meatballs. All these fresh ingredients we add at the end. Morning glory, bean sprout, Thai basil, cilantro, spring onion, celery. Right. And the white one that you see here will make it look very pretty. This is a radish now. We'll add the radish right now in the soup, in the broth, because it's gonna give a very nice sweet taste in it. I love the white radish. The radish, when it's tender, it's so good. I can just eat the whole bite, the whole piece. All right, so we cover them. We'll have a look later. I'll come back. Right, so everything is ready now. We have it set. So our stew beef ready. Everything ready. Meatball, bean sprout, morning glory, coriander, cilantro, everything ready. So now I'm gonna prepare the noodles. We have a water boiling there. This is the egg noodle. You make sure your noodles cook, yeah? This is a fresh noodle. This is the white foam you see, is from the flour that on around the noodle. Even I rinsed it a couple times already, you still have. So when you have a fresh egg noodle, you have to rinse it first, yeah? It's enough? Yeah. Okay. So I'm asking, because I'm serving to you. I make this for my husband, so he like egg noodle a lot, and he didn't have breakfast yet. I think he will like a bigger portion of the noodles. So we'll have the noodle there. I'll add some of the stew beef in it. Right. And I don't think he like any of this. You want any of this? No? Okay. So stew beef. And we'll have some one. Right, and then we'll have some coriander, spring onions, celery. And then I have this, the veggie, bean sprouts, and morning glory. Boiling water again. You don't want to cook that long because you want to keep the crunch in it and sweeten it. Is that done? Right, so we have that. And then we got the broth here. So we put some soup in. And of course you need to have some oops, sorry, garlic on top. And personal like this is chili flake, right, a little bit sugar, a little bit vinegar. Maybe I'll let you add that yourself, so maybe he can add it. Yeah, little soup.